friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in to the hotel except major credit cards and reserved arrive temporarily told an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel along with various fees and some policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link. We are facing internet problem in this hotel in as my community will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Friends will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Be safe, be happy.